Said and Paige TV. Yeah. Okay, we really outside. Okay, come and subscribe. Okay, you know the vibe. Said and Paige TV. Okay, pay your tithes. Yeah. Okay, real love is alive. Real love. Okay, you know the vibe. You do. Said and Paige TV. Said and Paige TV. Said and Paige TV. Okay, come and subscribe. Okay, we really outside. Okay, you know the vibes. Yes.
What's up, CP4E family? It is your girl Paige and I am back with another lit banger video. Alright, you guys, if you guys are new, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Join our family because you don't want to miss out on any bangers we got coming for you guys. If you guys have been with us, rocking with us, OGs, you know what I'm saying? We love y'all. We appreciate you. And, you know, we're going to continue to grow, you know? Follow us on TikTok. Follow us on Facebook. Follow us on Instagram. Make sure you stalk us. Follow us everywhere. We comment back. We DM back. We do all that. You know what I'm saying? So follow us right now. Before we get into this video, y'all, I forgot to do my intro. As y'all can see, as y'all know, your girl is doing the voiceover because, you know, I couldn't leave y'all hanging like that, you know? I'll see by the title, I'm going to be acting really ratchet. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to get Ced's reaction. I already got his reaction because I kind of already seen it because I'm doing this intro later. But, y'all, his reaction was hilarious. Like, I was literally getting on his nerves. But, yeah. Y'all enjoy this video. Sit back, get some popcorn, relax. You know what I'm saying? This video is about to be so super lit, y'all. Love you guys so much. Thank y'all so much for supporting us. Road to 20K right now. Hurry up, tell your friends, your uncle, your granny, your family. Tell them to follow us and subscribe to us right now. But yeah, love y'all. Stay tuned. Watch this video. Comment down below your favorite part. Peace.
Oh!
You took it long though.
Don't rush me. Shit. I gotta get in the car. I gotta find all my stuff. You ready?
Yeah.
Hey, we about to go, y'all. We about to go. Oh! I love you too, boo. Where we about to go? Cause you know I have to bring the snacks.
Why are you so loud?
I got the twins. What? You're so funny. You know we can't go nowhere without the smear now.
Why you got my necklace on? So
you know why?
Are you gonna?
Do you know why I got your necklace on?
You gonna give me your?
Do you know why I got your necklace on?
You gonna give me your keys?
Can you listen to me?
What?
Because Jesus loves me. This I know.
Okay. So we can go.
You was supposed to have the fucking keys, Cedric.
Where?
Go, I don't got the keys. Go get the keys. Oh, Jesus. Now hurry up now, little old booty. Oh! Come on now. Yeah, I gotta get my life together. Hold on. Do I have the key? I think I might have the keys. I hope I ain't got the keys. Let's see. No, I ain't got the keys. I don't got the keys. Put my purse in the bag. Baby, come on. We gotta go.
Why you being so damn loud?
Oh! What you mean, man, loud?
See,
We gotta go.
extra. Why are you being so loud? What reason?
I ain't saying why you mad at me. Okay, ready to go? I said you ready to go? Oh!
I'm right here.
That ain't what we jamming to.
You're not ready to get me a headache.
What? I ain't getting no motherfucking headache. You get yourself a headache. Alright? So, where we about to go? Cedric,
I don't know.
answer me when I'm talking to you. I ain't
Did
playing
you
with
say you wanted to go to the store or what?
Okay, you got it. Let's go to the
Alright,
store.
so
Let's go! Let's go!
I'm F-R-E-E, fuck nigga free. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no fuck nigga cheap. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Outside hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friend. I'm F-R-E-E, fuck nigga free. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no fuck nigga cheap.
What?
damn.
Cause I'm F nigga free.
Yeah, but we in the neighborhood.
Let's go! Hey, you have his ring back, cause I'm F in F right now, baby. Here, take the ring.
Pipe down.
Put the ring up. I don't even need it.
You ain't gotta turn that down loud.
Who you talking to? Don't be touching my stuff neither. Don't touch my stuff.
Hey, you hopping out that red light, twerking on them headlights. She say she can't come outside today.
That mean you scared, right?
Put up in the roof in the summer, pop out every night. Better hold his head tight.
Hey, anyway, life's great.
Still good.
It's still good.
Eating cake.
Wood. Let's go! Hey! Hey!
No.
What?
No. Stop.
What?
Stop. Give me this shit. No.
What?
Nah, relax. You doing too much, fam. It ain't even no sun out. And why you got these sunglasses on? Take.
Why you ain't got none on?
We gonna.
Mind your business. Let's go.
Nah.
Let's go. Oh, go the right part. Hey, hey. I'm great. I'm motherfucking gang. Oh,
Fuck a nigga. Was on my wife shit when he deserved the whole.
can you get my drink back?
Can you relax?
Can you relax?
Hey, like.
What? Cedric! Cedric, what?
What the fuck? You better stop yelling.
I ain't give us some of my songs and
Nah,
stuff.
stop. Why you yelling? You give me a headache.
Cedric,
Nah.
stop.
Stop.
You're so cute.
Stop. Let me cuss you out.
Oh! Why you gonna cuss me up?
Cause
For what?
we going back home.
I just want to drink.
No, you tripping. You on some other stuff.
How am I on
I'll
some
go
other
to the
stuff?
store by myself.
No, I'm going with you. We're going to the store together.
No,
We going together.
no. I'm going back.
Anyway, life's great. Still good. Baby, let's go. Let's go to the store.
I can go to the store.
Okay, get my drink back.
Wow. Too much.
You ain't doing enough.
Put your seatbelt on.
At the red light, twerking on them headlights. I'm waiting on the red light so I can twerk at the headlight. On the headlight.
Good night.
I'm getting out and twerking. Oh, see that stuff is stupid.
What made you want to come yesterday? I don't know. Why are you on that? All of that?
I'm always like this.
No.
Cedric, yes I am. Cedric, I am. Oh!
Relax. You gotta relax. You gotta.
Don't be telling me to relax. I don't tell you to relax. Don't tell me to relax. Anyway, life's great. Still good. Like Jesus on my neck because I can, bro. Oh!
Why you talking so loud?
What?
You know why you talking so loud for?
What you say? Who you think you're talking to? Oh, take me home. You get on my nerves. Where we going? Oh, don't run over the birds. Oh, Jesus.
Why you gotta be doing all of that?
Why you gotta be doing all that? You making my neck and shit. Where we going?
Going back home. Shit, I'm
got on both of my necklaces.
Baby.
Wait. Anyway, life's great. Pussy still good. Wait. Why does that make her? I want to go to the store.
Baby, you not finna go to the store.
I want to go to the store.
No, fam.
Then why you drive off anyway?
Cause I'm thinking we finna go to the store and come right back home.
Okay, we is. Let's go. We probably get something free because I got these shorts on. At the red lights, working on them headlights. Yeah. You ready to
Baby,
go?
what's going on?
Let's go to the store.
Now, why you took your ring though? See, that's what I'm saying.
Because I'm F-R-E-E. Nigga,
you
free.
not.
I'm free. Free at
I'm going
last.
to the store by myself.
No, we're going together.
No, we're not.
We're going together.
I'm going to the store by myself.
No. We're going together, Cedric.
I love you.
Cedric.
I love you so much.
We're going together. Baby, no, don't pull right here. Don't pull.
Oh, stop.
Stop. No, you stop.
Doing?
No,
Get away
why are you
from
parking? Dang, you acting so slow and stupid.
You tripping. Baby, go on in the house.
I'm not going in the house by myself. I'm scared.
Wait, friend.
I'm scared. Oh, baby.
I'm finna go to the store and
No, we're gonna go together.
Come on now.
Let's go together.
No, we're not going together. You
I thought you
drinking
said
and
we're gonna
stuff?
be together.
No.
I ain't even drunk yet. I'm F-R-E-E.
Go on.
Free.
Go on, baby.
That mean I ain't gotta worry about no cheat.
Baby, can you go in the house?
Can you go with me in the house? Cedric, stop playing.
You playing? Go.
Ooh,
Go in the house.
got a little strong. Oh, don't talk to me like that.
Okay. Go in the house.
Anyway, life's great,
for real.
but still good.
Come on, man.
Wait.
Go in the house.
No, you go in the house. Oh, I'm scared.
I do not like you in the house.
No, we're gonna go together.
No.
I wanna go to the store with
You're
you.
not going to the store. I'm not going with you. Tripping. Go put on some clothes. I ain't even.
Cardi B, where it is?
You're not Cardi.
What you trying to say?
Oh, calm down.
You're not Cardi, baby.
What are you trying to say?
You're Paige Wage. That's who you are. You're not Cardi.
You mad? You jealous?
Man,
no, you.
come on,
That's what it
bro.
is. You jealous. Oh,
Nah, real talk. Come
you
on,
real
baby.
jealous. We're not going nowhere.
We're not. You're right.
We're not going in the house.
Yes, we is.
No, we
Come
not.
on.
I didn't get this cute for nothing. Oh, come on.
I'm not going nowhere with you acting like this.
Okay, I won't. I act better.
Like, for real. What
Hello.
is what? You playing.
I'm Paige.
Bro, come on, man.
No. Oh, you want me to start screaming? These folks hear me? You want me to start screaming so these folks can hear me? Why wouldn't I do that? Baby, give me a kiss. I'll leave. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. I'll leave. Give me a kiss. You didn't even give me a kiss.
Goes. For real, so I can get back to the house.
I'm going with you to the
You're
store.
not going.
We going to the store. Or you gonna break my soul?
No, for real. Quit playing. What else are you playing?
I'm not playing with you. I'm serious. Come on, let's go. Just back up. Let's go.
I'm finna go back in there and get on some work. Are you?
Wait.
See, you playing.
No, you playing.
And then you went in there and put my jewelry on. Like,
Anyway, life's great. I'm still good. Stupid.
I'm not finna go to the store. You acting out loud and stuff, really.
I'm not loud. Where you going? Baby. I think I did a great job. You know what I'm saying? On a scale of 1 to 10, your girl did 11. You know what I'm saying? Had to get real ratchet. So, yeah, y'all ready to go see Sam? Y'all ready to go see Sam? Yeah, he done got in his car. I guess he really think he about to leave me. We going together, Cedric. We want together. How you feel?
They got the cameraman.
Cause I'm pranking you. I'm being ratchet, baby. Cause I'm F-R-E-E.
Come on,
Free.
man. Let's go to the store. Like you.
Nah, baby. We ain't going to no store.
Like you playing.
We going to the store. I can't look like this going to the store.
You playing.
Oh! I think I look kind of cute.
Really?
Anyway, life's great. Feel good.
Oh! Every little thing. Come on, let's go. 'Cause it's getting late, baby. It's getting late. You want to play, so ain't nobody got time to play. Get the damn camera to play.
Alright, you guys, so you already know it's Team Paige all day. I come with them bangers. You know what I'm saying? Your girl Paige, comment down below. Gang, gang, gang. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope y'all enjoyed that video. We gotta go to the store. I gotta change. Y'all look crazy. But yeah, love y'all. See y'all next time. So you already know what that means. Peace.
Paige TV. Okay, come and subscribe. Okay, we really outside. Okay, you know the vibe.